Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been posting a video every day and I hope that you are enjoying that. And I'm doing that because it is our Christmas in July shop event, one of our biggest shop events. It's our second to the last shop event actually of the fiscal year. So every year we have this event since we have opened actually. And Christmas in July will have new collections that drop specifically to celebrate our Christmas in July shop event. So since we have a lot of kits, this will be part one of all the kits that will be dropping. I will show you the other kits in the next video. There may be 3 videos like this because there's just a lot of kits to choose from, and I really make sure to do that so that you guys will have a lot of things to choose from since everything will be on sale, especially these kits. So all of the new collections will be 20% off and I'll be showing you 2 of them. And if you'd like to see what these kits look like, then make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay, so let's get started with this stack. So once again, these are 2 of the 6 kits that we have for the Christmas in July event. I should have put this lower, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just going to take them out of frame and then I'll show you one by one. So this collection is called Design Your Life. And it's not a fall kit, but this is more of a anytime kit and very inspirational. So I think the last time I made an inspirational kit was way back when I opened the shop, and I think I had motivation, positivity, all those other kits that are along the motivational route, and I feel like I need a new one, and this is that kit. So first we have what we call Love Style Life. Now, oh, by the way, before I start with all of the kits, I just wanted to show you the Hobonichi Weeks regular kits. Our kits that are Hobonichi Weeks regular have 2 pages. We have a version that's just 1 page. I don't have them right now and I won't be able to show you, but you can check them out at paperjoyph.com. They should be live right now for the Christmas in July. So this one has 2 pages once again. So first page is the bigger page. You have your date cover, your decorative strip, individually cut checklist box, individually cut blank boxes, and then the second page has lift. The bottom bars, you have your left bottom bar, right bottom bar, headers at the bottom, and you have script stickers here, and it says goals today, notes to do, and weekend. And I feel like that's very helpful if you're new to the shop and you're thinking of buying, so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Now, the checklist boxes will occur in kits that are more recent. Before we didn't have that, and there was a point where we were only just doing the checklist as one big box, and then there was a point where it was just decos here, etc. So, but the newer kits and all of the new kits that have just dropped looks like this. Okay, so once again, this is Love Style Life. Love Style Life has several options. This is option A. There should be B and C. I'm not sure if there's a D. Oh, I'm sorry. Next we have Work It. And this is option B of Work It. I believe this is only option A and B. Maybe the other one is like that too. Maybe Love Style Life is the same. I'm not so sure anymore. I'm sorry. Next we have Dream, Wish, Do. This has beautiful colors. These are my power colors. Pastel, well no, this is lavender and this is mint. So mint is my power color. So this is the Dream, Wish, Do second page, and it has several options as well. Now, this one might be the one that has 4 color and hair color and skin color options. Next, we have Think, Want, Get. This is very neutral. This will work for any season, any day, any week. And this is a close-up of the second page of Think, Want, Get. So it says here, think it, want it, get it. And it has a bunch of stationaries here, and then glasses. I wear glasses, so this really speaks to me. And the main color of this is mostly gray. I think this will be the style of a lot of our planner girls. Next, we have another gray kit, and this one is called Do More. This is option B, which means I think it has A through D. So it says do more here, and she's just on a desk with the laptop, and here are some stationery things for her, and she's thinking about what she's typing, which is me. That's actually really me. I might use that next week. Next, we have something very, very cute. And this one is called Positivity. And it's of a dog sitting on a couch. Our dog does this. I know a lot of dogs aren't allowed to do this. But in our household, our dogs, if they can get up, they can. A lot of our dogs, well, 2 of our dogs are not very young and they cannot go on top of couches anymore. By the way, all of the kits that I have showed you so far are in our cream paper. Our cream paper is glossy and fountain pen friendly. Any pen, or rather any fountain pen will work on this. It will blend easily into the Hobonichi Weeks and it is super, super thin. This is the thinnest sticker paper I have ever seen. And this kit is called Live, Work, Create, option A. There is an option B for this, and it is just a tablet, and it says Live, Work, Create. And you have your coffee, you have your glasses, and you have your Stadler pen. Do you have that pen? I used to have that pen. I used to love it. This one is also in our glossy cream paper, and this one is Meowtivation, inspired by my cat. So we have several cats in the Philippines. Some of them have already passed away, and one of them used to sit on my planner. Now, I know this is not a Hobonichi, but if you are using multiple planners like me, I also use a ring bound personal with my Hobonichi Weeks and my Hobonichi cousin, then you know what this feels like when your cat doesn't want you to plan on any of your planners. It's just that this one has the ring bound one. So that is Meowtivation. Now we're transitioning into our matte kits. Now these are the same ones as the one you've already seen, but I wanted to just show you the version that is matte sticker paper. This option is best for ballpoint, felt tip, and gel pens. This one is the Think, Want, Get in that version. Now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think this collection is complete. If it's not complete, I'm really sorry if I missed any kit that was supposed to be part of this kit. But you can see them in the shop right now. I will make sure to have it divided into collections. That's how we list our stuff anyways. And this is the matte version of Positivity. Super cute. I miss my dogs. I don't have dogs here right now. And then the last thing for this collection are the deco pages. So I made deco pages so that you have an option to have this as an add-on and have decos in your spread. I know a lot of people don't use decos. They prefer to use either no decos or character stickers. Sometimes I get into that mood, but for me, I love using decos. It makes it feel like it's scrapbooking, putting stickers all over the place however you would like. It may or may not be functional, but this one you can totally use very functionally. So you have coats here. You have the Live, Work, Create coat. Another one of the Live, Work, Create coat. You have the Think It, Want It, Get It coat. You have the Do More coat. And then this one, really applicable to me right now, is Write, because I am writing my dissertation and it is an uphill climb, you guys. Anyone who's in school right now will know how that feels. Don't worry, guys. I got your planning needs done. Alright, so now let's move on to the next collection, and this collection is my beloved coffee themed. I love coffee, and this one is called Coffee Much, and I will first go through the glossy versions and maybe the matte versions later. I'm not so sure what's going on. Okay, so it is in the same format, and let's start with this kit. So this is the Coffee First option. This is the first page. This is a much bolder color scheme. No, I think not bold. Yeah, it is a much bolder color scheme, and it does a lot of color blocking type of design. It's very, very chic. A little on the Art Deco side, if you get my meaning. Okay, so let's check out the first page. Hang on. Oh no, not the first page, but the second page. So this is the second page, and this is called Coffee First. Coffee First, option A and option B. So it's just a spread open and her coffee. This is basically my morning, except this morning because I had coffee and I had to film because I had to go to school. All right, so that is coffee first. Next, we have coffee table. I think you can better have a feel of the Art Deco-ness of this with this kit. And this is just a table, a marble table like this one, but cleaner. And then you have a setup of an espresso. You also have a French press, and then you have coffee and tea here, and then you have a little vase there. This looks like my kitchen actually. So I'm really feeling that. Next, we have kits in matte paper, and this is the first one. So this is the breakfast tray. First page, second page. Oh, love how that is. And then breakfast tray literally has a tray with coffee, a croissant, and some newspaper. Ooh, you know what? Funny thing. I just subscribed to New York Times. Actually, my father-in-law gave me an extra subscription because he was paying for it, and he could have several people in his account. And I just got into it, and I'm loving the New York Times. You guys, you gotta get into that. It's so good. Right, and next we have Caffeinated. So Caffeinated has a very gray undertone. No, not gray undertone, but very gray tones. That's why it would work for anything actually. And I like to use a little bit muted colors, a little monochrome colors, a lot of black and white when I have very busy weeks, so that it doesn't look cluttered in my head. Another matte kit here is called Coffee First. Now this is the only one in this entire collection of Coffee Much that has several options, and this one is option B. There's option A through D, I'm pretty sure. I know I love, or I choose my kits depending on the second page for the bottom bar image here, but this one I will choose specifically for the first page because this is just so good. I love the grid with the florals. It's like construction vibes with florals. So the contrast is really stunning. Last kit for this collection is called Coffee Love. So it has like a setup of coffee. I don't know what you call that. What do you call that? Not a light box. And then you have coffee cups there. This one's very green, also really good for busy days. Right, and those are all of the kits from the Coffee Much collection. And now I'm going to show you the very last thing that I have here for this video is our deco sheet. So this is our deco sheet that looks like this. See, Coffee Much. It has a lot of coffee, like multiples of the coffee, and I made sure to do that. And then you have the girls some more and florals as well. I really like this deco. This deco sheet I think will be applicable for a lot of things. All right, and these are the kits or the collections that I have for today. I will be filming another one right after this and posting them the next day. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, follow me on my social media. My Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and my Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. The Christmas in July sale will run from the 25th of July until the 31st of July. These kits that I showed you is 20% off, and those are discounted listings, so you can use any code that you have right now. So I'll see you over there at paperjoyph.com and in my next video. Bye-bye!